Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me no be akwaba eba Melodies TV so. For 3 consecutive years, you will program ya ewo Melodies TV. Now, our program we do it once a year. Now, our program the only time we do it a year, ending of the year. Into washer from 25th to 31st December biya for 3 times and now for 3 good years ni Melodies ya sha say yes ade no. Ebia na o join ye no na unhu say ya bibisa. Don't worry. It is something we do. Now dia ye say you share the previous year and a year na you wom no. And somewhere in so for car say ebesi. E was a year ni mu. Na ya ka kire mo. Na ya nkasa ye grade say okay. In so for no way eno mo kan say ebesi. Na ye share year no and a year no esi na year no end no. Enyama we na si ye we ensi na ye reti. So far ye share say yes ade no 3 years ni in so for ekuku da miensa a ewo Ghana ha say a ye use wo Reverend Osu Bempa Nigel Gazy ene Bedukobi eya na de so for bi nso eka ho but so far ye share ase no osofo bi eni ho a wonya even above 50%. Ite analysis ayeye wa ha nsem a wo mo ka no ye tro na yankasa ya check say okay asem we a osofo ne ka say besi na esi ya na osofo bi eni ho a wonya above 100%. But in so for no ema ye tia say enyama ni bi wo a wo mo aba mpa ye ema eto eye den etwa we will take it that way. But here the analysis ayeye ne say nsem a wo mo ka no for 3 good years ni osofo bi eni ho a wonya above 50%. And that ye shall see ewo Reverend Osu Bempa ne die so. Ye hwe nsem a wo kan ye 31st exactly a year ago 2019 31st night nsem a Reverend Osu Bempa kan na ye rate na ye hwe se percentage sen na Reverend Osu Bempa wo benya ntino munya so na muntie nsem a wo kan no. To be very frank with you, in 2020 most of the things Reverend Osu Bempa kan most of the things he said no na very very political because you need say 2020 na a political year. It's most of the things that were kind no na a political. The first thing Reverend Osu Bempa said and he said wo horse na horse no wo tu na horse no na wo enter by mienu na horse no wo tu no na inframa kese bi bo horse no it's inframa me bo horse na say horse no wo ya to fom na we gina asa wo ya to fom na we gina na akwa ye say be plane oti plane mu na plane no experience turbulence asa plane ne pese to fom na gina e pese to fom na gina aha nti horse no na wo to kwan akobebi wo to akobebi o do the middle of the journey no na horse no o hwa na bibia is smooth na wo call ya na at the end of the journey wo land ye na wo call land ye no na nkrofo bi support horse no na nkrofo no sha say ebo nsem ama horse no nti nyankopon bi enemi no na horse no MPP flag na tale ne ho na say horse no MPP nti kasakria ana daya vision na nyankopon yi tre no na say MPP in 2020 no ebeye den kakra at the beginning of the year no amamu no beye den but in the middle ho no ebeye smooth ama the end no MPP ebeye ade ema Ghana for ebebo nsem ama MPP inti no that was the first year prophecy inti wa wo prophecy we now we share 2020 whether that was the thing that happened that edaye na yenim so the other one no so I don't know whether you accept some people you see and this particular prophecy itself no and you 50-50 because ebi mo beka say 2020 coronavirus my economy fall the plans MPP had say na come be year of rose in Yamana no into me ambaso because we mo cry can say corona ninti into obi betumi aka say well income show we our can say ebeye bibia be smooth in Yamano and kwanko ye smooth sa ama aban no because corona no ye me hu say aban anhye de nyeska obi nso betina bibia aka say well aban ya ade because at the end of the day no obema in free water obema in free way ema Ghana fo bi ebonse man nti sa prophecy we wo eye 50-50 based on where you stand ɛna ɔbɛka sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛbɛ mu anaasɛ ɛyɛ ade a amba mu. So that's the first prophecy. Now we read the second prophecy a wɔkan ne sɛ wɔhu candlestick. Na candlestick no na egyina candle stand so. Ɛna wɔhu sɛ mframa kɛseɛ no ɛno na ɛnyɛ mframa sorry. Wɔhu sɛ strong demons adamo ne honhom akɛseɛ a wɔn ho ɔden na wɔn try sɛ wɔn bɛ blow egya no candlestick no wɔn blow wɔn dum gya no egya na ɛwɔ candle ne ho no adamo ne honhom yi yɛ wɔn adwene sɛ wɔn dum gya no na wɔn yɛ sɛ wɔn dum gya no egya no yɛ sɛ eduma na asan so asɔ egya no yɛ sɛ eduma na asan so asɔ ɛhɔ ɛna ɛyɛ voice efiri so na voice no na ayɛ sɛ trumpet voice ɛwɔ soro ɛna voice ne ka kyerɛ adamo ne honhom ne sɛ saa egya no a wɔpɛ sɛ mo dum no mo yɛ ne deɛ nkra endum ɛhɔ na voice bi ɛsan so firi asase ase ɛma voice ne ka sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ne yɛ dum gya no nti ɛno nso na ɛyɛ political na deɛ wɔka ne sɛ nkurɔfoɔ no a ɛwɔ asase ase no wɔn tumi dum gya no a NPP bɛlusu but ɛsan sɛ ɔsoro akasa sɛ egya no wɔn yɛ den wɔn ndum ne nti no na kyerɛ sɛ NPP ɛyɛ adeɛ a wɔn gya no yɛntumi ndum nti NPP bɛwini nti wɔhwɛ saa prophecy na according to the EC's declaration the NPP won nti saa prophecy no yɛbɛma no correct ɛwɔ hɔ yɛbɛma no correct na saa prophecy no wɔamfa nto a owie no kaa sɛ nkurɔfoɔ enchanting or see people are enchanting to remove a leader so they can take over nkurɔfoɔ bi enchanting sɛ wɔn bɛyi ɔmanpanyin bi efiri so wɔn bɛyi etitiriw bi efiri so na wɔn aba abɛ take over but ɔsoro akasa nti enye yie nti no asɛm a Reverend Nso Bempa ɛkan no so I mean for the fact that he wanted to say say na nkurɔfoɔ bɛ so etu MPP a wɔn ntumi ntu MPP a and the MPP ɛna ewini elections nti no well you say I mean that prophecy it came to pass because according to EC no mbra ama wɔn kwan sɛ wɔn declare elections no MPP ɛna kyerɛ sɛ ewini nti no ɛno prophecy no yɛ correct. Now other prophecy a wɔsan so maa ɛne sɛ wɔsi MPP foɔ mo nyɛ wɔn adwene sɛ yɛaka sɛ elections na wɔn bɛ wini nti ɛno ano no they shouldn't be overly pampered towards the 2020 elections. Na sɛ wɔn nim na elections no wɔn yɛ wɔn adwene sɛ yɛ wini nti wɔn nyɛ adwuma a ɛbɛ form wini sɛ rapture nti no wɔn mbɔ adwumaden and this particular one I don't know whether it's a prophecy or not. For me mefa ne sɛ ɛyɛ advice mefa ne sɛ advice I will not take it as a prophecy mefa ne sɛ ɛyɛ advice because wɔhwɛ a saa na ɛte I mean yes ɛyɛ abato na wɔkɔ akɔto wanyɛ adwuma a wɔyɛ den tra wɔbɛlusu wopa magana fo ni nya sika ne yɛn nkɔnkɔto aba sɛ wanyɛ adwuma a nkurɔfoɔ ntoma o nti no ɛno no for me personally I will not see that as a prophecy but yɛn tia so wɔsi another prophecy a wɔsan so bɛka ne sɛ NDC ɛbɛba power na kyɛ wɔsi power deɛ wɔn bɛba but wɔn bɛba power no na kyɛ na deɛ nti a aba ne saa ne sɛ NDC foɔ ɛkɔ akɔsie wɔn spirit wɔn akɔtutu fam ɛde wɔn NDC spirit no akɔ akɔsie ama wɔn akɔ beebi foforɔ man foforɔ bi so akɔ akɔgye spirits bi na enu ho nti NDC foɔ wɔn bɛba power no na akyɛ na the best thing for them to do deɛ ɛbɛma wɔn aba power ne sɛ spirit no wɔn mo ɛnfa nkɔ na wɔn nkɔ fa wɔn ankasa wɔn spirit a wɔn de akɔsie no this one too you see this kind of prophecy you don't know whether you rate it as a prophecy a abem and as a prophecy in bemu because me I'm not anyway so this prophecy so the rating is prophecies nibi yebe marking a yes ebi nso yebe marking a 0 ebi nso yebe ka say I mean non applicable into this particular prophecy we can say non applicable because why we tie me prophecy we be see dem say ade a abemu and ade a embemu why we tie me say prophecy because I see NDC dey power na ache but we sha 2 two terms ni. Into this particular prophecy now, it's more like a long-term prophecy. Into your maybe after 20 years, 30 years, na NDC ember power. Then they can say, oh, we're going to also be prophecy be our mind as far back as 2012 no, but just within 4 years, we unto can say NDC beba power na a change, you know, what as a prophecy we a there abim because I just one election and I have to end an NDC winning. But you can say 5, 6, 7 elections, then in the NDC lusua, and then I'll go back into for this particular prophecy. For now, it is non-applicable. That is my rating. So I won't say Mr. I don't know what I'll do. Into this prophecy is non-applicable now. It's a future prophecy. Now, another prophecy I will kind of say, Mahama, the vice president, Ebewu after the elections. What's Mahama? Satan na Mahama and selective vice president. Dia. What's it? Yeto abani wia. Mahama vice president Ebewu. And you see, with this particular prophecy too, it is very tricky because Yeto abani wia. He didn't give a time frame, and obviously, Mahama's vice president will obviously die after Abatono because say Mahama vice president will rule in the next 50 years. It was after the 2020 Abatono. Meboa. It is our prophecy where you not see how to rate it because you can say and that Mahama the vice president I will choose no. You can say 15 years to come and now will. Who can a bro from Obeka say oh at least Obeka say she died after the 2020 elections even though it was 15 years after. So it is more like a perspective. It is more like to you. International time frame say oh it be 10 months after, it be 1 week after, it be 2 years after. Then you say okay we are holding you to this particular one. Into this prophecy so no rating to say non-applicable for now. Because what happens, they say 2 years time, 3 years time, 4 years time. Say Mahama vice ko upe. As some of can say, some can say after election, 2020 election, no. And 4 years time, who can grow from one? Obviously, it was after 2020 elections. And so every year that comes after 2020, no, it was after 2020 elections. I don't know whether I'm making sense here, but this one to rate it as non-applicable. Another prophecy I will kind of say. Nkrofo aplan say wo mo pese wo mo kun easy boss ene ne deputies o say nkrofo aplan say wo mo pese wo mo kun the easy boss and her deputies. As far as we know, as far as the police, I mean we know from the police and everything no easy boss no yema no protection 24-hour protection, but we never heard of an attack on her life. As far as I know, ebia na attack on the life so ena young fan babontin ena police fan babontin, but we never heard of attack on her life. Into this particular prophecy, I see people want to kill EC boss and her deputies. This particular prophecy, me marking correct because at least na police for MIT as say oh easy boss no you try say you attack no ne car when you accident you say you kuno any nyama you don't say okay at least attack be a ban life so but basically it was just people talking about it, people talking about her say oh you're incompetent. We didn't really hear any specific solid story say easy boss no ya koni fie say you kwa kuno and yenya no we didn't hear that. So that is for that. I'll not mark this prophecy. Another prophecy I want to say was see after elections no confusion ABC NDC okay one more NDC din was a political party now we be lose no we be protest now we be no we be say we court now so we court ni we are enkwa nkosiaga. This prophecy well 3 things. One, was a political party no be lose no be protest ne clear political party I can say we lose NDC protest no we ye na bini amen nkrofo afemu krewu. 2, what can say we make court enga NDC ko file say we mo court inti eno so abem. 3, was we mo court a enko nkosiaga inti sa one sa third one ne there we are yet to see But so far, this prophecy, no, Obeka said 2/3. 2/3. Because the last one is yet to happen. Into 2/3. Was also can say in 2020 there will be more kidnappings. You bet kidnapping in Crawford more over 2020. And you see, in Ghana, every single year we hear of kidnapping stories. The truth is, this year too, we heard of kidnapping stories, but this year kidnapping stories, no, it wasn't as much as last year. We check the records from the police. I think last year was one of the years at Ghana you recorded a lot of kidnappings, but this year, no, kidnapping no, you answer that until better you see nipa where you are, but you answer that until it is last year. It is our prophecy in so the workers and more kidnappings, no. May find say there will be more kidnappings than last year, and you can attest to the fact. Say this year kidnappings no and baby break say last year. Into prophecy win so me marking correct. But me I've told you. In so for the can one say prophecies need be one more bumpire emani try. That one is up to them. But the end but I've understood. We are not looking with the spiritual eye, we are looking with the physical eye. Into no. I just want people to understand that. It's a bit me up and say prophecies now am bemuno. Prophecies are revenue to be past share am bemuni nano. Wo bo empire emanam bim. It is very possible. But yeah no we are looking at the physicality of it. Now, Reverend also been passed and so Emma prophecy say Ghana afi baby are crowds in Crawford dumping ombebo chenku baby and Crawford chenku and ambebo dumping biano. It was a police for Eshe because for the first time you bet say explosions or better say bomb a blasting waha or better say bomb a blasting waha. This year we didn't hear even one story of bomb blasting. Into prophecy we ambim ebia wo bompaye ema amba into no even if you are saying it pan this year pan so na said we didn't encourage people crowding at one place. Into prophecy we there ambim kra because coronavirus ni buy na kra lockdown ni nyama eba mu no this year nkofo answer down bottom pen e wo baby bebre sa into no prophecy we there to fanchain media I don't know but I didn't hear of any blasting say marketplace ya park of blasty baby media manti baby sa what say ya mama so ente now was also another prophecy said this year school in Kola ebe yare na wo mu this year school in Kola be yare pa no mu na ye kan so this year so na school in Kola tina fie pa. You not really hear stories of school nkola say wo more yare because this year your campaign school nkola tinafie almost close to over 6 months and 7 months school nkola tinafie a wo munko school into prophecy we so yebeka say nyame adom ye da nyankopon ase say ambem ya ante story bia say school nkola yare na wo muwu school nkola yare no muwu. In fact coronavirus ba ya say Accra girls over 18 students enya coronavirus no wo baako bi aniwa wo wuye ne ho eto no I think say embra corona it was just 1 or 2 mokaya KNUST students no ono kan enye coronavirus and some another students bi but so say na o ka say school nkola bebre be yare na wo mu ewu no say wo ka say nipa baako ana mienu na yare wu ya you can't say school nkola bebre. It is just a very insignificant number because social Ghana your student population it does so you have say 10 million students na nipa baako ana mienu na yare wu a untumi ga say school nkola bebre be yare wu sa because we strike average a very very insignificant and so I hope you guys will understand that for me. It is our prophecy no nyame adom ambem Reverend also ben pass also share income said this year Ghana police personnel bewu rampantly. Ghana police for promotion muhuye ombewu. This prophecy our market as true because the training yamenim this year report amede buy obeti na Ghana police wakowu accident na say yekokum Ghana police ni wa ne kre ene this year the Ghana police ye can crepa this year yet say stories of Ghana police for ewu pa say na enye asem ketwa. Mokaya, and I did a lot of stories. America and Ghana police were most of them they are breadwinners in their house. Into what system do we have in place to watch over their kids and their children? Look, I said I spoke a lot on those particular stories. Yes, because I reported a lot on Ghana police personnel dying. Into this year, Ghana police for a year. Now, Reverend also Bempa Social come say this year many prominent people will die across the world. Etitru Bebrina Ebewu this year, and also I'll mark him as correct because we share this year can it's 2020 dear. Dear Diabano, now where you woo, now where you woo, now where you woo, Ghana Haka, JJ Rollins, not just say this year dear. As before JJ Rollins no, now professors be woo, now we Sir John Munina into this year dear, prominent people in politics and in the world across no Bibrina Ewuye. This year presidents, now women coronavirus. Not president of football clubs who and this year a lot of people died. Prominent people. You can't hear etitro we share America Kobe Bryant we share America now Accra or Ate Wakanda Forever Black Panther Chadwick Chadwick was saying Bossman Chadwick was saying womunina this year etitro bebre ewuye intino that one Reverend also said this year a big Ghanaian musician will die and it will shake Ghana. Say Ghana in June to make a seer will be who ever Ghana afimu a be so Ghana a be masabi ya like say me be so Ghana na be ma ya we then Ghana kan ebema sabe yebeye na ye no mankofo be hu say we for this particular one I was about to mark him as wrong and Amekai say say Kofi B I stand to be corrected but I think Kofi B died this year. Mami check it, let me just check and see. Kofi B who yeah we all saw it Ghana for Bebrina Ghana for Ghanaians were shaking in Yaman Kofoka say oh Kofi B you know so you how people went and nyama intino I think say this year let me check the date Kofi B died. Kofi B died February 2nd 2020 into this year just after about 2 months after Reverend Osu Bempa share sankom no Kofi B ewuye this year intino Wobeka say yes sir and conscious way abim but I was about to mark him wrong because initially when I went through no me just say me marking wrong and say na me do so and I make I say ne cre Kofi B ewuye. Now the last prophecy our my and they said MPP for now this one I don't know whether it's a prophecy but what I say MPP for one trumpet this year and they say ejuma wo no Womon kancha man sign na man say hu ne say womo aye adwuma eno de meka ne say eye futu I will not take it as a prophecy nti wo hwe enkom share Reverend Osu Bempa share ya out of me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 out of 12 no I think say 1 2 3 4 5 makia out of 12 no me marking no say 5.5 because the first prophecy me there me ma what I say na 50-50 it's me marking answer na ba kwa wonya 2/3 na there o de me fa ne say me dey ma no full mark it's me marking no o de fa ne say 6/11 into no let me do the calculation. Out of Reverend Osu Bempa prophecies, no, I'm being very generous. 6/11 times 100. So I'm trying to find the percentage. Times 100. Into no Reverend Osu Bempa when you're 54%. You say and then so best answer about the shop income. Yeah, the bedroom. So this year, revenue also been pound commission on your 54%. I think it was better than last year because last year there, me see in so far kuku that me inside there me year ni na no, will be anywhere when you 50% car. Last year will be anywhere when you 50%. Then the revenue also been paying 54% there. I think say well, much of what you on comment box anymore. I know that a lot of people will not agree, but this is my take on this. Much of what you that's it.